Let's be real. Everyone says you can make money with ChatGPT. But what actually works? Today, I'll show you 3 real tested ways to earn online. No face, no experience needed. Method number 1. Selling content with ChatGPT on Fiverr. You can write blogs, YouTube scripts, or emails using simple prompts. Just type, write a 500-word blog on smart home technology. Edit it a bit, deliver it, and get paid. Method 2. Selling digital products. ChatGPT can help you create eBooks, guides, Notion templates, even ready-to-sell prompt packs. Use Gumroad to sell them. It's free and beginner-friendly. And number 3, YouTube automation with ChatGPT. No camera, no mic. Just use ChatGPT for the script, an AI voice for narration, and stock footage for visuals. Upload, repeat, and grow. These are 3 real beginner-friendly ways to make money with ChatGPT, even without showing your face. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more AI income ideas.